Hi guys! What you doing like Knuckles? Hello! Dapat wait ko po kayo magbabayo.
Tingnan ko may points na.
Kasi dapat okay. Hey, Dapa! Hey! Oh, yeah. Tagal. What's my natural ending? Bakit mo? Tignan mo kuya.
Teacher na mamata ko.
Ikot ako ng patalon. Ayan o kuya ga. Ayan o. Ikot ako ng patalon.
Okay ka lang? Wala siyang pulit. Mamaya na. Jump.
Okay guys. Where are we, Knuckles? Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, come on to my house. Where is your house? Oh, where are you?
Oo. Kunting ano lang. Ready?
Happy guys. Wait.
Ito si Genjo. Oh.
What's going on?
Tawag ka dito naman.
I'm here in my house.
Baka malaglag siya.
Where? Oh yeah. That's easy way. Okay.
Ano pa lang dito eh.
Huwag ganun ka pa.
Oh, mami oh.
Ha?
Lemon ko gag. I'm here. I'm here. But I'm not. Oh yeah, wait. Just open the door. Wait down. Wait lang. Tatalpon niya ng tatalpon ng tatay ko. Hindi yan siya. Tingnan mo, hindi yan siya. Hindi ako marunong mag-gulay. I got it oh guys, may gagawin lang ako. Try gano. Ano nga po?
Yan ang gagawin mo dyan.
Guys, i-iwan ako avatar. Bye. Coco Pando Elephant. Sige, isa lang ha. Isa lang ha. Okay, Gab. One only, okay? Ikaw ba yun? Ang galing. Oh. Tails, come here. Come here, Tails. Where's Tails, man? Tails. Oh my. Why are you swimming? Yes. Oh, fine, you can swim. That's for Tails. Tails, I can see him. That's for. Oh my. I can see him. Wait. You can swim now. That's for today's video. Please like and subscribe.